decorating with my ramo buchon, I knew I had to do something with these flowers, so let's make some beautiful things. First, we're going to start with some leftover balloons. I found these lying around my house, and then 6 roses. And we're going to start peeling off the petals. Once we have a plate full, we're going to start filling our balloons up with a couple of rose petals. Depending on how many balloons you make, just make sure that you put just a couple of petals inside so it really shows the beauty of the balloon. And then we're going to start to fill up. Remember to go slow, otherwise your balloons will pop. And how many of us as kids remember those water fights? Yeah, those are the best. Now we'll tie the balloon around, make a knot, and repeat the process until all of our balloons are done. Once you're done filling up all your balloons, onto the freezer they will go. Now for the fun part. After a couple of hours, we're going to take them out and we're going to run it underneath water. That way it makes it easier to cut the balloon off of the ice. And this is the final ice balloon. You can customize this in any way you want, but it looks especially pretty with wine and some drinks for that special occasion. Speaking of wine, we're gonna make rose ice cubes. We're gonna start off with 2 ice trays and we're gonna use those rose petals from earlier and fill up our ice trays. Remember to rinse your roses beforehand and use filtered water. And then onto the freezer, they're gonna go for a couple of hours. Once they're frozen, we're going to take them out, fill up our wine cups, and we're going to have wine or whichever favorite beverage we have, and it pairs beautifully with our rose petal balloons. And because everyone deserves to look beautiful at all times, we're going to make some rose hair clips. This is super easy. So we're going to start off with 2 stems and we're just going to cut them off, but leaving some stem to place a bobby pin through. And then we're going to grab the rose and we're going to open it up, that way it looks full and lush. And then we're gonna grab our bobby pin and we're gonna put it right through. I actually have another video where I create romantic curly hairstyles from the dollar store. Perfect for all occasions, so please watch. Then we place it in our hair and voila, you have beautiful fresh rose clips in your hair. Well, at least for the day. This is a classic because all of our moms have had this at one point in their lives, rose potpourri. We're gonna grab the most driest of the stems and we're gonna take off the rose petals and we're gonna crunch them up into tiny little pieces. Once they've been crunched up, we're gonna grab a mason jar or just any jar that we have lying around the house and we're gonna pour it into our jar. And then we're gonna grab our favorite essential oil. I grabbed rosemary and we're gonna put a couple of drops into our jar. And then we'll shake it up and we'll put it into the most stinkiest or anywhere that we want the room to smell with a beautiful rose aroma. Now this one's my favorite because I've been making my own face mask since I was a little girl. We're gonna start off with any gel that'll be beneficial for your face, and then we're gonna mix that in with the crunched up roses. And then we're gonna place that onto our face in an upward motion. Now I've taken off my foundation and my jewelry because we gotta make sure that we protect all of our jewelry and we gotta make sure that we have a clean face. And after 10 minutes, we'll reveal a beautiful and fresh face. While we were shooting, we had something exciting come in from Amazon, and I want to show you guys. Okay. Let me show you guys this awesome thing that I ended up getting. I could not wait till after filming. I had to unbox it right now so I could show you guys. Look at these stunning silverware. Look at that. If you haven't changed your silverware, change all of it. I love this because it looks like a queen's silverware. It looks very royalty, and I'm really excited to eat my basic meals with this. This is for my loves who always have chapped lips. We're gonna start off with some Vaseline that we're gonna put into a little container. I have this one that I had some foundation in and I just cleaned it out. And then we're gonna put some rose petals inside and then some extra Vaseline on top. We'll stick this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and voila, we have some beautiful lip balm that's perfect for our lips. Now, I never like things to go to waste, so I will always find a way to make something out of nothing. So we're gonna get our leftover coffee pods and we're gonna put it into a container. And then we're gonna get some fresh rose petals, stick them in there, get some good old coconut oil, and then we're gonna mix it all up. And this will make the most beautiful smelling scrub that will leave your hands, your legs, your body looking smooth and beautiful. This one is super easy. You're just gonna get an old vase, put your favorite rose in there, stick it in the refrigerator, decorate it, and it will make your refrigerator look beautiful, or at least until you get hungry. Remember that beautiful silverware from earlier? Well, we're gonna take that box from Amazon and we're gonna make a beautiful rose bookmark. Now we're gonna cut a piece off, and then I have some leftover wrapping paper, stickers. Just use anything that's special and unique to you, and we'll place it on the bookmark. We're doing things here casero, which means homemade. And then we'll grab our gorgeous rose petals, put them on top, and then to seal it, you're gonna get some good old duct tape, place it all over, and voila, you have a beautiful one-of-a-kind bookmark. And using the same Amazon box from earlier, we're gonna make a rose card, perfect for all occasions that will be unique for your loved one. So we're gonna cut it up, and then we're gonna use some of our leftover stickers. We're gonna place them on top, and then we're gonna get our rose petals, place them all over, but making sure that we leave a little bit of room in the middle so that we can write something unique to our loved one. Grab that duct tape the entire card all around, and then once you have it all done, you have a beautiful card that will be a memory forever. I love you guys so much for watching. Mwah!